Question number 10 in the exercise 7.8. Okay. So the question is, a manufacturer wants to design an open box having a square base and a surface area of 108 centimeters square. Determine the dimensions of the box for the maximum volume. Listen, my dear student. So think of a cuboid. Okay. So three-dimensional figure. So here the square base, the base of the cuboid. So the base of the box is a square. So base square means automatically top also square. These two are square. Remaining four faces. A box has six faces. Among the six faces, top and bottom are square. Remaining four faces are rectangles. So if we consider the side of the square is x, means it is also x, and we can fix that one as y. Okay. So volume of the cuboid means length into breadth into height, x into y. That is the volume. Okay. So let x comma y be the dimensions of the box. Okay, because square means length and breadth are equal. So we are fixing that it is x means that is also x and height is y. Okay. So listen, what is the base area? It is a square. So x square. Okay. So listen, my dear student, already told you two are square. So area of this base is x square. Always top is also x square. Remaining four rectangles x into y. So 4xy, okay, 2x square. So the surface area of the box is equal to 2 squares. So x square plus x square, 2x square, and 4xy. So 4xy, it is given as 108. It is given in the question, given the surface area. So if it is known, then the problem is very easy one. So again find out y value to make it as a single variable function. So 4xy equal to 108 minus 2x square. If you want, you can divide it by 2, otherwise not needed. So y equal to 108 minus 2x square by 4x. Okay. Y equal to 108 minus 2x square by 4x. Sorry, my dear student, just read the problem. It is given as a open box. Open box means we need not to consider the top because it is excluded. Open box means the box is open. No side is here. Only 5 faces. Bottom is a square. Remaining 4 rectangles. We have to exclude this top because it is open. So here not 2x square, only x square. So here only x square. So y equal to 108 minus x square by 4x. Now volume of the box, capital V equal to, or V of x. Always V means V of x. Okay. So x into y. So what is y value? 108 minus x square by 4x. Okay. If you want, you can multiply inside. So 1 by 4. If that x cancel. So 1 by 4 into 108 minus x square. So 1 by 108 minus. So volume is L into B into H. So L x y. So here not x square. So if you are multiplying inside means we are getting 108 x square by x is x minus x power 4 by x is x cube. So we are getting 1 by 4 into 108 x minus x cube. As like the previous problem, find out the first derivative. So 1 by 4 is a constant. 108 a constant, differentiation of x 1 and x cube differentiation 3x square. So obviously equate the first derivative to 0. So which means 108 minus 3x square equal to 0. 3x square equal to 108. So if we cancel by 3, so what we are getting? So if we 3x square and 108 we are cancelling 3 times, 6 times. So x square equal to 36, x equal to plus or minus 6, but here positive, only positive length is positive. So we have to take x as the positive square root 6. Okay. Again find out the second derivative from this one. Okay. So v double dash of x 1 by 4 into differentiation of a constant 0. So minus 6x. Look at here. It is negative but x is positive. So when x equal to 6, obviously v double dash of x is less than 0. It's negative. So negative means the volume is maximum. Then x equal to 6 gives the maximum volume. So negative means maximum volume. So x equal to 6 mean find out y by putting the value here. So y equal to 108 minus 36 by 24. So 108 minus 36 by 24. So use it that 108 minus 36 is 72. Okay. So 72 by 24. I think 3 24s are 72. Okay. So we are getting 3. So the dimensions are length into breadth into height here, but the square base means length and breadth are equal. So the dimensions are 6, 6, 3. Here you can write the dimensions are 6, 6, 3, but here the unit is I think centimeter. 6 centimeter, 6 centimeter, 3 centimeter. They are the dimensions. I am going to solve question number 12 first, because question number 11 we are going to use absolute maximum. That's why I am going to solve it last. Question number 12 is a hollow cone with the base radius A and height B centimeter is placed on the table. So listen my dear student, first take a hollow cone. Given that the base radius is A and this height is B. So the total height is given as B. Okay. And then so that the volume of the largest cylinder that can be hidden underneath is 4 by 9 times the volume of the cone. Okay. So the volume of, so we have to insert a cylinder of maximum, okay, possible cylinder in the hollow cone. The condition is we have to prove that the volume of the cylinder, okay, is equal to 4 by 9 times the volume of the cone. Okay. So listen, initially the radius, base radius and height of the cone is given. Okay. But the radius of the cylinder and the height we don't know, but we can assume the remaining height. Okay. Totally B. So let me take x be the radius of the cylinder and y be the distance from the top of the cone to the cylinder, top of the cylinder. Okay. Let x be the radius of the cylinder, okay, and y be the distance from top of the cylinder to top of the cone. Okay. Okay. So we can assume this distance as y. So totally the height is B. So this is y. That means the height of the cylinder is nothing but B minus y. So we are getting the height of the cylinder is B minus y. Listen my dear student. Okay. So take it thus. So which implies height of the cylinder is b minus y. So take the note of it. Okay. Again, we know that volume of the cylinder. My dear student, just recall the formula. So V equal to by R square H. Volume of the cylinder is by R square H. Here we are taking radius as x. So by x square H, height is b minus y. Already told you. So we got to make it as a single variable function. But here no information is given. But if we take this triangle, so it is a right angle triangle. So there are two triangles inside. So the outer triangle, the largest triangle, and the similar smaller triangle. This angle theta means this is also theta. So two triangles are similar triangles. Okay, if you want you can name it as A, B, C and D, E. Triangle ABC and ADE are similar triangles. Then the ratio between the sides are equal. Similar triangles means ratio between the sides are equal. Okay. So here ratio between the two sides y by x is equal to, what is that? The height of the whole thing, if you consider that one. So it is b, this height is b and this is a. So y by x equal to b by a. Listen my dear student, here we are using the similar triangle concept. The two triangles ABC and AD are similar. That's why the ratio between the corresponding sides are equal. Okay, we are using this one. So which implies y equal to b by a into x. Are you clear? So now use this condition to make it as a single variable function. So 5x square into b minus b by a x. Okay, b minus b by a x. Now multiply inside, or if you want take p in common. So pi b into x square minus x cube by a. Okay. So now it will converted into a single variable function. Obviously, as like the previous problem, find out the first derivative. Pi into b is a constant. Differentiation of x square 2x and differentiation of x cube minus 3x square by a is a constant. Okay. So now equate the first derivative to 0. So which implies what we are getting? This value 2x into, or if you want you can take x outside, x into 2 minus 3a by x equal to 0. So equate to 0. Either we are getting x equal to 0. Okay. So here we are getting x equal to 0 or the second one equal to 0. Second one means 3 by a x equal to 2. So x equal to 2a by 3. So we are getting x equal to 0 or x equal to 2a by 3. So keep these values. Okay. So now find out the second derivative. V double dash of x. So pi into p is a constant. Okay. So pi b is a constant. Differentiation of 2 is a constant. X is 1 minus, and differentiation of this 6x by a. Are you clear? Pi b into 2 minus what is that? 6x by a. Now we have to put x equal to 2a by 3. So when x equal to 2a by 3, put it here. V double dash of x equal to pi b into 2 minus what is that? 6 by a into 2a by 3. Okay, a cancel. So cancel. So 2 minus 4. We don't know need that value, but anyway. So 2 minus 4 is minus 2. So minus 2 pi b, which is negative. 2 pi b, which is negative. Then x equal to 2a by 3 gives the maximum volume. Okay. So and the volume of the cone. Okay. So volume of the cone formula. Okay. So what is that? Already we have that here pi x square. Okay. Into p minus pa by x. So in that one put x equal to 2a by 3. Okay, in this place, okay, put x equal to 2a by 3. So what we are getting? Pi b into, okay, here you can put it. So wait a minute, student. I have to clear this one. So I need a place. Okay. So v equal to pi b into. So what are the values? Here pi b into x square. Pi x square 2a by 3 the whole square into p minus b by a into 2a by 3. Okay. So here a cancel. So what we are getting? Pi into 4a square by 9. Okay, into what is present inside? If we take p outside, what we are getting? 1 minus 2 by 3. So 1 minus 2 by 3 is, I think, 1 by 3. So we are getting pi into 4a square by 9 into, so what is that? P by 3. Okay. So here take 4 by 9 outside. So 4 by 9 into, okay, here 1 by 3 is there, pi a square b. Okay. So what is a? A is the radius of the cone and b is the height of the cone. So 1 by 3 by r square h. It is of the form 1 by 3 by r square h. It is nothing but the volume of the, okay, so volume of the cylinder. So 4 by 9 times, okay, so volume of the cone. Volume of the cone. So 1 by 3 by r square h is nothing but the volume of the cone. Okay. Here in the problem it is mentioned as radius as a and height as b. So 1 by 3 by a square b is nothing but the volume of the cone. Our aim is to show volume of the cylinder. Volume of the cylinder is 4 by 9 times the volume of the cone. So that is proved. Question I am solving it finally because in this question we are using the absolute maximum concept. That's why I am solving. Out of 12 questions, 11 questions we used local maximum concept. Here we are using absolute maximum. That problem also, if you want, you can use absolute maximum, no problem. Okay. The question number 11 is, the volume of the cylinder is given by the formula V equal to pi r square h. Okay, it is well known one. Find the greatest and least values for V if r plus h equal to 6. Radius plus height equal to 6. So h equal to 6 minus r. Okay. So given that volume is pi r square h, okay, convert into a single variable function which implies V equal to pi r square into 6 minus r. So pi into 6 r square minus r cube. So it is converted into a single variable function. So as like the previous question, it is a function in terms of r. So v dash of our first derivative pi into 12r minus 3r square. So obviously equate the first derivative to 0, which implies what we are getting. If you want, you can take 3r common. 3r into 4 minus r equal to 0. Here I am pi, we can leave it constant, right hand side 0. Here I am taking 3r in common. So 3r into r, what we are getting? 3r into 4 minus r equal to 0. So equate to 0, either r equal to 0 or r equal to 4. Okay. So either r equal to 0 or r equal to 4. Okay. So here they are asking what is the greatest and least values. So for this one, given that r plus h equal to 6, okay, so the upper limit for this one is 6 and the lower limit is 0. So we have to find out all the three values, V of 0, V of 4 and V of 6. Okay. If it is R value is more than 6, H becomes negative. Listen my dear student. If you put R value is greater than 6, H becomes negative. That's why here upper limit is 6 and the lower limit is 0. So this is the interval. Okay. So find out V of 0, V of 4 and V of 6. Okay. So V of 0 means put R equal to 0. So obviously it is 0. And put R equal to 4 here. Here put R equal to 4. So what we are getting? What is that? 4 square. Pi into 4 square. 16 into 6 minus 4, 2. So 32 pi. And put R equal to 6. Okay. So if you put R equal to 6, again we are getting 0. Okay. So the greatest value for V is 32 pi. Okay. And the lowest value, the least value of V is 0. Finally conclude the answer. The greatest value for V is 32 pi and the least value for V is 0. Conclude the answer.